The universe has a clock, not of gears, but of stars, galaxies, and space-time itself, and this clock is ticking down. From the Big Bang, a cosmic countdown began, and we're here to witness it. The idea that everything, every star, every planet, has an expiration date is humbling. Physics tells us time is not infinite and the universe is not permanent. We can see the universe aging, its expansion, and the slow decay of all things. The universe is a dynamic system, moving toward a future of silence and darkness. Its clock ticks not in years but in trillions of years. No engine runs forever. The universe cannot sustain its energetic state for all time. The cosmos had a beginning, a vibrant middle, and is heading for an unavoidable end. This is the story written in the very fabric of reality. What drives the universe toward its end? Entropy. Entropy is nature's rule. Things move from order to disorder. It's why a sandcastle crumbles, or a hot coffee cools. Energy spreads out, never the reverse. This law applies everywhere, from stars to galaxies to us. The second law of thermodynamics says entropy in an isolated system always increases. The universe is the ultimate isolated system. With every star that shines, the cosmos inches toward disorder. Its initial order after the Big Bang is unraveling. Every complex structure, galaxies, snowflakes, life, is a temporary pocket of order. These exist only because the universe hasn't reached maximum entropy yet. As energy spreads and becomes uniform, complexity will fade away. Entropy always wins. Stars are the engines of the cosmos, fighting entropy by burning fuel. Gravity ignites fusion, releasing energy and light, but stars have limited fuel. Even the longest-lived red dwarfs will eventually die. Over unimaginable time, one by one, the stars will go out. The universe will grow dimmer, ending the age of starlight. What remains? Black holes, neutron stars, white dwarfs, a graveyard of dead stars. The cosmos will become cold and dark, a memory of its vibrant past. This is the heat death of the universe, not a cataclysm, but a slow, quiet fading. As energy sources die, the universe cools toward absolute zero. All motion and processes will cease. The universe will reach maximum entropy, a silent, eternal void. Nothing will ever happen again. This is the ultimate stillness. This isn't science fiction, it's grounded in evidence. The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is the universe's baby picture. By studying it, we track the universe's evolution and measure its expansion. The universe is not just expanding but accelerating, driven by dark energy. This expansion cools and dilutes the cosmos, hastening heat death. The existence of stars and galaxies shows the universe is still young, not at maximum entropy. We're living in its creative middle age. By observing stars, we model the future, predicting when the last stars will die. Every observation adds to our understanding. We are cosmic detectives, piecing together the universe's past, present, and future. Entropy gives time its direction, an arrow from past to future. The past is lower entropy, the future, higher. Without entropy, there'd be no before or after, no time as we know it. When the universe reaches heat death, time itself will lose meaning. Life fights entropy, creating order. We exist because the universe is still young and energetic. We live in a rare, privileged moment, early in cosmic history. Knowing the universe will end doesn't make life meaningless. It makes this moment precious. Our existence is a fleeting flicker in a cosmos destined for darkness. We are the universe's way of knowing itself, however briefly. Perhaps meaning lies not in lasting forever, but in witnessing the wonder of a living universe.